This is total reality. Like it or not, man, cars get towed. This manager here, she's called something in. She wants towed. So we're gonna go find out what it is. Let me run into the office and see what she says. I just talked to the manager. She told me what to tow. It's a building B right here, 3494 Impala. They want it towed. It's got flat tires and all that stuff. So that's the one they want. That's the one. We don't make a lot of people happy doing this kind of work. This property is kind of, it's a little bit lower end, but that don't mean they can't keep the property up. They have to. They get scrutinized by code enforcement and everybody else because they run a lower end property, and they definitely have to. They have to manage it, man. Anyway, we're rolling back into the yard over here. We're gonna dump this Impala off. I think we need to check on that rooster over there and see how he's doing. Anyway, we got this Impala. We got it to the yard. I heard the rooster over here just a minute ago. I know he's over here. He's crowed a couple times. Well, we just pulled back in on another property, me and Tater. You gonna get it? Is it front wheel drive? That's rear wheel. I think it's rear. I'll check it. I'm pretty sure it's not. Don't worry about it. Hey, go ahead and load up. I'll go get that Impala. We'll meet back up here. I'll meet you right back here. Just I'll get that Impala. I'm not stressing. I'm gonna go get that Impala and I'll meet you back up here. If that's the front wheel.
Got a 2018 tag on that one right there.
Okay. All right.
And then see, I was looking for the blue Sentra, but it ain't got the same tag number. So
yeah, it's not here. You got it. Hey, I'm gonna grab that Impala. I'll meet you back here in just a minute. Huh?
You take this car too?
Can I tag it?
Yeah, no, Volkswagen. Volkswagen also you took it?
The other guy took it.
Other guy?
Another driver. There's another driver here.
Why did you actually, you know, this car had the notice, but our car also no notice without notice.
No, they got pictures of the sticker on there.
They have a sticker?
Yeah. It had sticker. The Volkswagen had a sticker too.
Wait.
Yeah.
Where is the office?
Hey, take a picture of the door. You can call him. That way you got our number. The office is towing them, man.
The office is towing?
Yeah, the office is, they got a whole, they got 16 cars in here. Yeah, yeah.
I gotta talk to them real quick.
Well, hey, call her if you want to, bro.
Yeah,
You can call her, man, but hey, the tags, I'll tell you what happened. They got code enforcement in here on them, so she's having to pull them.
Yeah, I know. I talked to her.
Yeah.
Man, just give me 1 second, all right?
Hey, you call all you want, man. I mean, it's hooked. You can call.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means it's hooked. I mean,
Yeah, all right.
say what? Just call her. Call up front, but it's hooked, man. She can ride down here. She may ride down here and tell you what's up, but it ain't just you. Hey, he got towed too. They've towed like 6 or 8 out of here.
How much?
How much? What do you mean?
How much is it gonna cost?
Does this thing run?
Doesn't matter. I mean,
If it runs, we could do it and release on property. That's why I asked.
yeah, it can run. Yeah.
Well, you can pay the drop fee. The drop fee is $100. Hey, but hey, call her and talk to her, man. Just talk to her. I'm not gonna rush out like this.
Talk to them. They say, I'm already your boss, I think, I don't know. He just make a call and then he gone. So last time they tow my car, they notify me. But this time, I don't see any ticket on the car. Like this one, you can see it, right?
Yeah.
This time, I didn't see any tickets or they didn't notify me that they're gonna tow your car or anything.
Well, all the cars were stickered. They got pictures of the cars stickered and everything.
I saw yesterday there's no car sticker or anything.
Yeah.
So all of a sudden, if they put it today, how should I know? Because I wasn't in the home.
Yeah. Hey, let me shut this down. I'm gonna shut the PTO down where y'all can hear. 1 second.
No, I went to the office when I don't see my car here. When I was leaving for doctor, that time my car was here.
Yeah. Well, you're asking me. Hey, I didn't tow that car. I'm hooked to his car, but I didn't tow the other car.
So it was here.
I personally did not tow it. Another driver towed it. I don't even know what car it was.
Last time they didn't notify, they didn't tell me. All of a sudden they just told.
They give the time.
But they bring the car back.
Well, ain't nobody gonna bring the car back, man. And it's just what it is, man. She's.
That's not our business. That you should talk to the toll. And when I called him, he said that's not my responsibility.
Yeah. Hey, it's not up to the me and the other driver. It's not up to us what we tow. They tell us what to tow. We don't just ride through and pick cars. We don't. We show up and they tell us, hey, tow that car. Tow that car. We don't know what to tow. They tell us to tow. We don't have the ability. I don't have the ability to tow your car unless somebody tells me to.
Can you at least let me just get my stuff out?
Yeah. Hey, anything you want to get? Yeah, for sure, man. I'm not like that. Anything you want to get out, man. I ain't like that, man. Yeah, that's fine.
All of a sudden they took it. The same thing like this time. They didn't even notify me.
This is the Volkswagen right here.
Huh?
And he came out on this one too.
Yes,
He wants to get his stuff out.
Sir, my car was here, the Volkswagen.
The what?
Volkswagen.
Yeah.
So,
That's on the list right there.
but they didn't tell me to took the car or take away the car or move the
It
car.
had a sticker on it.
Huh?
I think it had a sticker on it.
But I didn't see it when I go outside. I
Yesterday
didn't
also
see
don't see any
it.
sticker.
I mean,
We
6'9".
we went outside yesterday with my kid. I didn't see it.
I don't know.
You want? But anyway, you want?
Huh?
You want to get? You try to get paid out?
You see, this car has
Get
the
it
sticker.
on this one?
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, he's going to get his stuff out of the car. I think he's the same guy that owns that one car.
This car has the sticker, but our car we don't see any sticker yesterday too.
It's on it there.
Yeah. Hey, every car on the list it had a sticker.
Picture of it up there too, really.
Yeah, they got pictures
I
of.
know, sir. I'm saying, if they put today, like before
So,
they
which one is our
and they lie.
Volkswagen?
They got pictures with the date on it.
Rutan, blue Rutan.
But I didn't see
Is that a
before
Rutan?
that, and
Yeah.
maybe
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, Rutan.
Rutan. Yeah.
That's 2 times ago.
Yeah. He's gonna get his stuff out of this one.
You need to get out.
You blocked in? You need to get out?
No.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you to record it.
Thank you. Thank you. Here's your battery, bro.
Alright, that truck part.
Okay, I got you. let that guy get his stuff out of the car. I want to try to make it hard on him. He wanted to get his battery and a couple things. I don't care. I'm there for the car. I ain't trying to hate on nobody. A lot of tow guys don't do it the same as me. Tell you what, there ain't very many of them that have towed as many cars as I have either. I guarantee that. Talk all the trash you want to talk about. How I do this, my strategy of how I impound cars. You can talk all you want, man, but you got numbers like mine. They're undisputable, man. You can't dispute the amount, the numbers of cars that I've impounded, man. There just ain't no way to dispute it. And I have had problems, man. I've almost been run over, had guns pulled, all sorts of situations that have happened out here. But a lot more things could have happened if I didn't operate the way I do. Anyway, thanks for watching. I want to thank my boss. I want to thank my subscribers for the great comments, man, all the views. I appreciate everybody following the channel, man, and I want to take a minute to give God glory, man, for everything I do. He's definitely kept me alive doing what I do, because I've been impounded, man. I've been through some situations, man. I've been doing this for 11 years now, and I can tell you right now, man, God's kept me alive doing this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.